Motor Friday. Lots that you can do with just your hands to practice your dexterity, and there are names for everything we do with something just as simple as a pin. Simple rotation, complex rotation, shifting, and then there's translation. Hard to do with a pencil, but perfect for buttons, coins, or just about anything small. That is when I'm picking up something with my fingertips, moving it into my palm to hold, and then picking up more without dropping what I've already got. And that works in a tricky bit of coordination as well, that a lot of us take for granted how easily this can be done, because it is not simple. And then getting all of these buttons from my palm, again, we're going to shift that up to my fingertips, securing all of those other buttons in my hand and working to get one at a time. Whoops! Practice makes perfect. I need to keep a nice tight hold and put them in. Might use this, well, bit of a coin shortage right now, but eventually we'll get back to it. Or if we're working to get something in that meter, I need to be able to move my coins and get them up to my fingertips. We do a lot just at our fingertips, and hopefully we'll be featuring some more of these things to give you tips for how to improve your dexterity at home every day.